Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We're back out in the warehouse. Today we're going to be talking about a Pentair product here called the FlowVis. This is part number 261193. Let's open it up and look inside here. They've got a nice little picture here. But the FlowVis is a pretty cool device. It's a check valve, but not only is it a check valve, it tells you the flow of water going through that current pipe. So most of the times when your pump's off, it's going to show 0. But when your pump is running, it's going to tell you the flow and GPM of the water going through that pipe. So as they open it up here, they have some nice protective foam there. Keep this looking pretty. Your screws and all the instructions are in there. And then luckily this is the part so I can kind of show you how it works here. So here's your standard check valve that you would have here. Stops the water from going one direction. But with this guy, what it does is it has an added feature of a little fin there. So as water's passing through the valve, you can see that kind of go up and down there. If you're looking right here in the center, you can see that moving. So one side you have is GPM, the other is feet per second, so velocity of the water. Your gallons per minute range from 10 to 110. That's on this 2-inch valve. I don't know if that you would ever exceed that, but as water's coming through, you can see the different flows of water. Really a neat item to have on your pool, especially if there's spots where you're trying to figure out how much water you're moving through there. The pumps can kind of tell you that, but this guy really helps solidify that, get you a good solid answer, help diagnose issues with your pool as well. So cool item we have here at ePoolSupply, 2710 West Bell in Phoenix, Arizona, or ePoolSupply.com. You can pick these guys up. We'd love to get you them. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.